The job of an oil filter is to catch any damaging particles that are flowing throughout the engine. But how do you know if the filter is actually catching any debris? Well, you need to crack open the can with a tool like this week's featured product. Check out the filter cutter from Baldwin. Visually inspecting a filter membrane is a relatively easy way to diagnose a possible engine problem. Like if you're seeing shiny, metallic pieces, you might have some components that are breaking down. But opening a filter isn't an easy process. Using a Dremel or hacksaw would introduce metal shavings into the filter, giving you a false reading of the problem. So unless you're Popeye, using this Baldwin filter cutter is going to be the smartest way to get a clean cut to open that filter. Constructed out of a sturdy, lightweight metal, this cutter can accommodate any rounded filter that has a metal casing, anything from automotive, marine, and even aviation. It fits filters as small as 2 inches all the way up to 6 inches in diameter. And a quick word of advice to all the mechanics and DIYers out there: have the filter held snugly in a vise first. This allows you to keep 2 hands on the cutter while the filter stays upright, preventing any excess oil from spilling out. The replaceable cutting wheel presses the filter against 2 metal rollers to ensure a secure grip on a possible slippery container. From there, you simply rotate the cutter around the filter, and using a turn then tighten method, you'll turn the cutter a bit, then tighten the blade against the filter. Turn a bit more and tighten a bit more, eventually slicing through the metal just like opening soup with a can opener. So get to the bottom of your engine problems with this week's feature product, the filter cutter from Baldwin. What's your best method to opening an oil filter? Let's chat about it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more awesome feature products. Thanks for checking out the video.